Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily fix screen flickering on your REALME GT 7T. So first, try and restart your phone. So we're starting off with a simple reboot because sometimes some temporary software glitches can cause screen flickering and restarting the phone can easily fix it. So click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe your finger up to the restart and wait for your phone to restart. So I'll get back to you once my phone has restarted. Now, if the restart didn't help you, then you might want to check for software updates. So, to make sure that you're running the latest software, basically go over the settings and now scroll down until you see System and Update. Here, click Software Update, and as you guys can see, for me there is no network connection now because the phone just turned on from a restart. But now, as you guys can see, it will check for updates and it will say that I'm running the latest version. So running the latest version is very important because sometimes flickering can be caused by bugs that get resolved in newer updates. So always make sure that you're running the latest version and you're not using some old firmware. So yeah, basically make sure that your version is up to date. Now, if it still is there, the flickering, then go back. Now scroll a bit down, scroll up. Now go over to display and brightness. Here make sure that the auto brightness and extra brightness is disabled, and here you guys can set up your brightness to see the difference between a flickering or not flickering. Yeah, you know what I mean. So basically, adaptive brightness is here to adjust your screen brightness based on your surroundings. So sometimes it can cause flickering if it doesn't adjust properly. So basically disable the auto brightness and you should be good. But don't leave this just yet because now we want to go over to screen refresh rate. Now a higher refresh rate like 90 or 120 Hz may cause issues with screen stability on some devices. So what you guys can do is try lowering it to 60. So go over the standard and see if it makes a difference. Now if it's not fixing the issue, then you guys can check for third-party apps that can cause screen flickering due to, let's say, compatibility issues. So now what you guys can do is go over and see the apps in the settings, or simply open up some apps and look for them. If you find one, then simply uninstall it. And now what you guys can do is try and check for corrupt system files. So if you think that this issue is software related, then factory reset might be the way to go. It might be your solution, but remember, this will erase all of your data, so make sure to back up important files first. So go over the settings. Now here, go to System Update, go to Backup and Reset. Here click Backup and Migrate to back up all of your important stuff or your data. So click Local Backup and here click on New Backup. So after you're done, click the Reset Phone, click Erase All Data, enter your passcode if you have one, and simply click Clear. Then your phone will basically be back to default settings, the factory ones. So if this didn't help you, then you can try and check for display damage, because if your phone has display in disabled ways or destroyed ways, it has any cracks, internal damage, or maybe it was exposed to the extreme temperatures, it can cause flickering. If there's visible damage, then you might want to visit a service center to get it checked or repaired, but otherwise you should be good. Now you guys want to check for overheating, because if your phone gets too hot due to maybe prolonged use or intensive apps like some games like PUBG or mobile, then it can cause the screen to flicker. So make sure that your phone is not overheating and give it some time to cool down if it is. Now, if none of those fixes worked for you, then it might be a hardware issue, so it might be a malfunctioning display or graphics chip. In this case, it's actually best to take your phone to a REALME authorized service center for further diagnostics made by a professional. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.